Good morning, Sparky friend. This is our third day at our cruise. We at Penang.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hello, Sparky friend. Welcome to my channel.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never.
Tiara, where are we? Penang, Malaysia.
Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
We eat our breakfast.
Yeah,
Are you hungry?
not yet.
Not yet. This is it. One of the best prata in Penang. The roti canai, roti bakar and egg. Mami, how's the roti bakar? So delicious. Oh, where are we? This is exactly where Tiara would like to be. Look, who is this? Oh, long queue. Cendol. Let's try.
Thank you. Akan 3.
Done.
Kenapa? Lapisan. Bila saya jelas.
We are going back to the port. Spend half a day in Penang. Eat some roti canai. Drank some cendol. Oh, this is Tiara's favorite, Milo. Here you go. On such a hot weather, we need Milo to energize us. Right, Tiara?
Yeah.
How about you? Do you like Milo?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, Tiara is sharing with Daddy. That's so nice of
A
her.
big chocolate.
A big chocolate, yeah. What do you bring, little girl? I think you carry too many toys. It's the end of Penang, Tiara. Time to go back into our cruise.
Papa, ini for the Justice League challenge.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Tiara, how many stamps did we get just now?
1, 2.
So today we can't play games because it's raining and she's given the stamp. We're going to the last challenge and luckily it's indoor. Look at that. Due to the bad weather, we can't play outdoors. That's Superman and Supergirl, right, Tiara? Did you catch any? No, it's okay. Let's go. This is one of the stations that we did not get to play the mini golf. Probably next time. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you. It's raining. Nice. Let's go, mommy! What? Like a mouse! Nice one!
Tiara, do you have power?
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
I have baby power.
Baby power, okay. It's right.
Nice one, mommy! Spare! Yay! Tiara, do you enjoy the bowling game? How about you, mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy is the highest scorer. Yeah, and she won. Tiara, mommy won. 180. She can represent us in the SEA game already. At the cocktail party with the captain. Tiara, where are we? At the captain place, yes.
Captain.
Yes, we just met the captain, right?
Yeah.
Took photos with him, yeah. So it's a cocktail party with them at this evening.
Yeah,
But-
and we should order one latte for daddy.
Yeah, one latte for daddy. Anyway, we can only be here for a few more minutes because we need to go for your dress up. Right? Your dress up costume later. happening at 6 p.m. Are you excited? Yes. Okay, let's have my latte.
Let's order one latte again.
Tiara, is this latte?
No, I want that latte.
Where's latte? There's latte.
With a nice cute ice.
With a what?
With a ice.
Ice.
Final. 10, 15.
Bye-bye.
Do you want to dance?
Okay, parents, let's give our superheroes a round of applause. Okay, so kids, this is what are gonna happen for this activity. So you will be doing your best character pose.
Tiara, after completing the Justice League challenge, what did you get? Whoa, Wonder Woman! Congratulations! Is that your favorite? Yeah.
I always dream about Wonder Woman inclusion.
This is Auntie Evelyn or Cece Evelyn. Is it Cece, Tiara? Tiara kita. How's the brownie with the ice cream?
1, 2, 3, action!
What do you want me to do?
Drink some more latte, then you got mustard. Look at mustard. You got blood red.
Do I look cute with my mustache?
No.
Thank you so much. Well, hello everybody and welcome once again right here at the Zodiac Theater for this very special evening. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome your Dream Makers!
Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance?
Don't forget to watch my videos, Sparkly friends. If you are new, please subscribe, leave a like and share. Now it's time to say good night. Have a sparkly day.
Come and fly away with me.
Subscribe.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge.